Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter in this 2001 Ford Focus. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So you're going to pop your hood. The air box is right in this location here. Take a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up. There's 4 screws. There's one here, one on the back, one over on the other side there. Loosen these up. That one. Right there and right here. When that's loosened up, you can lift up on the box, grab the air filter. There's the old one. There's the new one. You can tell this one's pretty dirty. A lot of times you can hold it up to the light and see if you can see daylight through it. It's kind of hard to see in this situation, but this one's pretty dirty. So as you can see, all the dirt in between the pleats. So I'm going to take this new air filter, slide it underneath here, and place the air box back in position and tighten down these screws. You can also use a 8mm socket. We're just using a straight blade screwdriver. And just snug them down, not too tight because it is plastic. There you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.